stop talking to anybody who's standing next to you. Take out your maths classwork note. We are going to do little tough sums now. All must be attentive. We are going to start. We have done these sums, but some are not sure how to do it. You cannot borrow every time and any time. You must know when to borrow. That I will explain to you once again today. Now please write only classwork CW on top. CW, that is classwork. In the margin, today's date. In the margin, today's date. Classwork, CW on the first line, and today's date, 1910. Now you must be very, very careful. No need to leave any square on top. You just see here. Please copy these sums. Tens, ones. First column you leave. See the first column. Jesus. First column you leave. First column. T, O. Leave 2 lines. T, O. Please listen to me and do it. Leave 2 columns. 82 minus 49. Draw 2 lines. Again, answer exactly like this. 2 sums you copy. Don't leave too many columns. Only 1 column here. 1, 1. 74 minus 58. Draw 2 lines exactly like this. Answer. I will teach these 2 sums and I need your help for the next sums, not now. Now take the first you write. I want everybody to. Anandit and Archan, did you copy the sum? Good children. Now, yes. Now I will teach you how to do it. Use your scale to draw lines. 9. Please listen carefully. I don't need anybody to disturb our children. They can listen to the teacher and do it. 82. This is the way you have to tell me when I ask you a question. 82 minus 49. Check the. I don't. Who's that? What happened? Never mind, Cyrus. Take out your classwork note, okay? Some error must be like, only if you got and again we sent it. Okay, Cyrus, write today's date and classwork and copy this. Now listen to me carefully. 82 minus 49. Check the ones place number. 9 is bigger than 2. You have to check the second number always. Second number is 9. 9 is bigger than 2. Borrow from 8. 2 will become 12. Please do with me. 2 will become 12. Eight will become. See, give me the photo. 8 will become. 1 minute, children. Before the answer. Just wait. Now, 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. Even you can cut 8 at once. Before you could do that. Okay, cut 8. Before you could do the answer. But ma'am is doing like this. Both the ways you can do. Other day I taught you the other way. 12 minus 9, it's 3. Always think that 8 will become 7. Just look at the screen, children. When you write 2 will become 12. At once you can cut and write 8 will become 7. Otherwise you'll make mistake. Okay. 2 will become 12. 8 will become 7. 12 minus 9. After 9 till you reach 12, you count 10, 11, 12. You get 3. 7 minus 4. After 4 till you get 7, you have to count 5, 6, 7, 3. Answer is 33. One more sum I will do. Then I will ask your help. Okay. Hope you'd have done like this. Exact. Who turned on the mic now? Rahil, turn off your... Not Rahil. Yeah. Somebody, I don't know who's that. Now I'm not getting the name. Now let's... Second one. 74 minus 58. Check the second number. Ones place number. 4 and 8. Second number means it's 4 and 8. And second number is 8. 8 is bigger than 4. Have to borrow from 7. Rahil. Rahil, why are you playing? Just look at the sum.
Ma'am, I'm doing the pair. I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am, because I can only see you turning this side, that's it. Okay, thank you. Now, 4 will become 14. You can cut 7 and write at once 6. But ma'am is doing this 14 minus 8. After 8, open your fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 7 will become 6. 6 minus 5. After 5, 6. 1. I want everybody to do this. Leave one column and write the next numbers. No need to write T and O. Please copy this. 61 minus 25. Leave 2 columns or 1 column, no problem. It's better to leave 2 columns like how it's shown on the screen. 61 minus 25. After 61.
Can you copy second one?
Now tell me, let me know who's this. Children, when you're not doing, when I change at once you have to tell. Because I'm explaining. You are not doing means after changing the screen, don't ask me to go back. 74 I'll just wait 2 minutes. 74
Okay, ma'am, you can change, ma'am.
Okay, just see. 58. 14 minus 8, 6. There is no point of copying. You have to understand and write. Better leave 2 columns. I think I can go to the next one. Leave 2 columns and write 61 minus 25, 70 minus 19. I'm waiting for you to copy. I'm not asking you to do. I will teach again because you have to do another exercise. Today only teaching because I don't want you to make mistake hereafter. 61 minus 25. You can do it by yourself if you know. Check the ones place numbers 1 and 5. If the second number is big You have to borrow from 6. 1 will become 11 because you are taking 10 from there, 11. 6 will become 5. That I'll show you later. 11 minus 5. Close your fingers. After 5, open. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6. 6 will become already, you are borrowing. That means you are cutting and writing. You don't forget to cut and write 6 into 5. Your answer will be wrong otherwise. 5 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. At once you have to count in your mind. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Answer is 36. When I teach, you have to listen. Once again, 61 minus 25. You cannot take 5 from 1. So borrowing from 10th place. 1 will become 11. 6 will become 5. Keep in your mind. 11 minus 5, you will get 6. 6 will become 5. 5 minus 2, you will get 3. The answer is 36. Next, 70 minus 19. Check the first, ones place numbers. 0 and 9. 9 is bigger than 0. Borrow from 7. Borrow from 7. 0 will become 10. Keep that in your mind. When you cut one number itself, you must know that you're borrowing. 10 minus 9, you will get 1. After 9, see here, after 9 you count 1, you'll get 10. 7 will become 6. 6 minus 1. After 1, you count till 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 5. 51. We will have test in class. I will make you all do it in class test later. After 1 week, not now. Every subject 1 test. Now please do it. 70 minus 19. 9 is bigger than 0. Borrow from 10th place. 7 will become 6. 0 will become 10. You can write this also first. 7 will become 6. 0 will become 10. 0 will become 10. 7 will, after borrowing, you can put. Borrow from there, then do it. Anyway, without cutting and putting also, you will know. You have to do it in your mind, you will know. Some children will do without doing this. I think I can go to the next two sums. Please copy, children. 46 minus 28. You don't have space in that page. Please take another page. Those who have place also take another page. Because 4 sums on a page. In a page, you write only 4. Please take a new page. Take a new page, please. Yes. 46 minus 28. Take ones place number. Why I'm not asking? I will give you a chance after learning it neatly and properly. Take the ones place number 6 and 8. 8 is bigger than 6. Borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8. After 8, count till 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8. 4 will become 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is 18. Yes. Next one. I'm just waiting for you to do it, children. 46 minus 28. 8 is bigger than 6. Borrow from 10's place. 4 will become 3. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8, you get 8. 3 minus 2, you'll get 1. Now, 90 minus 26. Check the side. Now, 1 minute, I just want to see. Yes, Getsia. Are you doing it, Getsia?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. 6 is bigger than 0.
6 is...
No, you don't do. Wait, I'm doing it. 6 is, I'm just teaching them. Okay, Getsia, thank you. I'm doing it. 6 is bigger than 0. Borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6, you will get 4. 9 will become 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Now you must be knowing without counting it fast. It's all in your mind. No need to count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 64. Again, 6 is bigger than 0. Borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. Ten minus 6, you'll get 4. 8 minus 2, you'll get 6. I just want to know whether you are doing it. Yes, who's this? Mukhil M. Mishti? Mishti, did you do it? But your camera is not on, Mishti. Don't make ma'am get angry. What happened to your camera? Did you do all the sums? Mukhil, did you write Mukhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Cyrus completed? Yeah. Last one. I think so this is last one. Then we got some interesting exercise from the textbook. Actually, I wanted to do that first. Copy this. Copy, children. Let me take Max book. Yes. 68 minus 39. Check the ones place numbers 8 and 9. Second number is bigger than the first number. 9 is bigger than 8. Borrow from tens place. 8 automatically it will come. 8 will become 18. So adding 10 from 10. Tens place. 6 will become 5. You can write 6, cut 6 and write 5 now itself. 18 minus 9. After 9, count in your mind. 80. I finished counting, I got 9. 6 will become 5. Those who know it properly, that will be boring for you, but please cooperate with everybody. Let everybody learn how to do. 8 will become 18, 6 will become 5. You can write, children, no problem. You can write first. 5 minus 3, 2. 29. 73 minus 55. 73 minus 55. Yes. Check the second place number. 3 minus 5. You cannot take 5 from 3. Second number is big. Children, without stopping, you have to do, okay? Second number is big. You have to borrow. 3 will become 13. 7 will become 6. 13 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8. 7 will become 6. 6 minus 5. 2. Sorry, 6 minus 5, 1. I made a mistake. 7 minus 5, I had. 18 is the answer. Please do it, children. Next one, what I'm going to show you, you can sit and complete your textbook exercise at home. Okay, you can just take this week fully, you can complete that. Very easy. You can go back to the recording because I have done this here PPT. Now please do it fast. We'll go to the next and I'll show you what you have to do. Okay, children? Yes? Tridip, did you write this, Tridip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let everybody finish. I'll just wait 2 minutes. And I will tell you what you have to do. You have to sit alone and you have to complete the textbook exercise in your book. I will ask you to show the textbook exercise only on Friday. Okay, not now. Friday. Slowly you can do little exercise. Now I will see what is it. Now see 1 minute, children. Who's that calling me?
Tarush, ma'am.
What happened, Tarush?
What is the page number?
Now wait, that's what I'm showing you. See here. We are going to do it now little. 67, 67, sorry, 66, 67. See here. How much we can do, we will do it now. The rest, you have to do it at home. You have all that in the system. Now please take this page number. Please take this page number 66, 67. Look at the screen. And we will try to do it now. 10 minutes extra we will take. We'll do it. It's very interesting. Actually, I wanted to do this first. But then you won't do the other one. Yes, 67. Now see here. I will ask fast, okay, one by one, so that you can answer. Now, maths. This is maths. Tanvi, tell me the first answer. The number that comes just before 876. Tanvi.
Ma'am.
Page number 66. The number that comes just before 876. Before.
875, ma'am.
Very good. One more, Tanvi. One more. The place of 6 in 654.
What is?
This is lying in hundreds place. Answer is 600. See, excuse me.
100 to pay 600.
Some parents
600,
are
ma'am.
talking all the time. Look at
Can
the
we
screen and
please
take a picture. Some parents are talking all the time. Just look at the screen and take 66, 67. Write today's date till Friday. I'm giving you time to complete that. Then check. You complete?
Ma'am.
Oh, Jesus.
Answer for second
Yes.
question is
Ma'am.
100 to pay.
Answer for second question is 100, ma'am. 600, ma'am.
No, 1 minute. I wrote. Yes, thank you, Tanvi. Tanvi, I just wrote it and showed. I thought you were not very good, Tanvi. Now, listen to me. Listen to me. Page number 66, 67. You do it whenever you're free. Friday, I will ask you the answer. I will show the presentation. Now, see here. Number that comes before 876 is 875. Place value of 6 in 654. You have to think and do it, children. 600 place value. I'll just show you these 5. Expanded form of 415 is 400. This is the way you have to do. I will remove this. 609 in numbers is written as 609. Don't write now. You can. I will just show you everything. The smallest 3-digit number formed by using 3 digits. You must not start with 0. So it's 203. 79 plus 10. Only change of the tens place 89. This is the way you have to do, children. Because we don't have time to complete, you can go back to the recording. Not now. Don't do recording. You do the sum. Do all this, fill in the blanks in your textbook. We'll check it. See, everything is there. Arrange the following. Ascending order. Only if you have doubt, you can go back to the recording. Otherwise, you can do by yourself. See, ma'am got all the answers over here. You can check the answers. Don't do it now. Descending order. Arrange the following. Hands. This is 1 minute, children. Listen, children, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. You don't, I'll just show you. 1 minute. Now listen. No, this 900 must come here. Descending order. 1 minute, children. One minute. Don't fight. Don't any what to Descending character.
Ma'am, we can leave the class, ma'am.
No. Don't leave the class. Ma'am is coming back. Wait, 10 minutes I need. 10 minutes I need. Don't leave the class. I want to tell you. Don't leave the class. Wait. Turn off your mic.
Ma'am, I did not see your present.
Wait, wait till just 10 minutes. Wait. I cannot see the presentation. Okay. Now listen, children. 1 minute. You can just don't worry about writing now. I will show you everything. All these things are there. Okay. You can go back after doing everything in your only this much. The rest we will do later. Okay, children. Till here, 1 minute. You can don't copy anything now. I just gave you all the answers here. Okay, you have to do it in your text.